Here is one more piece of America's days gone by. A decommissioned payphone in the local area. Hasn't been decommissioned very long. As you can see, it's still there. Fairly clean. The wires are still hooked up to it. It's a shame that these went out of style due to the advent of the cell phone, the mini computer we all have in our pockets, the same device that I'm filming this video on. Just figured I'd share this with you, because it won't be long. You probably won't see any of these anymore. It's a daggone shame, because this one could be put back into service real easy. See, the box for it's in good shape too. Out in front of a local restaurant. Anyhow, figured I'd share that with you. Y'all have a good one.